Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you could head to incomeinvestors.com, where you can find the link to the website in the description below. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs for short, structures are ideal vehicles for income investors who seek companies where primary objective is paying dividends. And since REITs generally have high capital expenditure structure, a downward move in interest rates is bullish. Take the case of Arbor Realty Trust Inc., traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol ABR, a mid-cap REIT established just over 2 decades ago. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Arbor Realty has grown into a nationwide REIT that is focused on multifamily and single-family rental portfolios and commercial real estate assets. Rents across the country surging, Arbor Realty finds itself in a sweet spot to benefit from the higher rents coupled with lower interest rates. Now, if you wanted to become a landlord and enjoy the higher rental rates, ABR stock might be ideal for you. Now, as an income investor, Arbor Realty Trust Inc. is on a 13-year dividend streak. Better still, ABR stock currently provides pretty frothy forward dividend yield of 11.66%. Moreover, investors would have seen their positions rise around 13.5% over the past 3 months and 41% over the past year, at least of this recording. Now, if you're fortunate enough to buy Arbor Realty Trust stock at $3.54 during the March 2020 health crisis, your position would be up 510%. That's the total return with dividends reinvested. Had you taken the money up front, the return slips to 252%.
And how is ABR stock doing right now?
ABR stock is presently trading above its 200-day moving average of $13.83 per share and just below its 50-day moving average of $15.11 per share. Now, the chart is flashing a golden cross. That's a bullish technical indicator. When the 50-day moving average crosses above the 200-day moving average, crossover suggests that additional gains may be coming.
And on the numbers front, how did it do in the most recent quarter?
In the third quarter ended September 30th, 2024, Arbor Realty Trust reported distributable earnings of $88.2 million or 43 cents per diluted share. This is a penny above consensus estimate and represents the fourth straight quarter that the REIT has beat the consensus. Analysts estimate that Arbor Realty Trust will report distributable earnings of $1.64 per diluted share in 2024 and $1.07 per diluted share in 2025, though there is a high estimate of $1.77 per diluted share in 2025. Now, for income investors, Arbor Realty Trust is a free cash flow machine, hitting $1.1 billion in 2022 before declining to $235.9 million in 2023. Now, plus is that the free cash flow is rebounding in 2024 after a combined $414.8 million in the first 9 months of 2024.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And John, with strong free cash flow, its dividend must be safe, right?
Yeah, companies use free cash flow to support their dividends and pay down debt. ABR stock's current annual dividend is $1.72 per share, representing a forward yield of 11.6%. And this is above the 5-year average dividend yield of 10.53%. Now, given the profitability and free cash flow, we expect the dividends with ABR stock to be safe, and they could even rise a bit over the coming quarters.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Institutional ownership in ABR stock is decent. It has been rising, with 412 institutions now holding a 60.9% stake in the outstanding shares. There is a large short position on ABR stock of 59.37 million shares as of October 31st, and this represents about 43.4% of the float. If Arbor Realty stock rallies, we would expect to see short covering and support for the stock. Based on the current price of $15, ABR stock trades at a reasonable forward price earnings multiple of 9.5 times the consensus 2025 distributable earnings estimate. This is below the average 5-year price to earnings of 10.7 times. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.